Corn seeds? What? Corn seeds? Corn seeds, corn seeds, corn seeds, and corn seeds. I need 10 corn seeds. Oh my days! Only one? Kailangan ko pa hintay lang 5 minutes. Okay. Corn seeds, plants, salad, plants, onion, mushroom, onion, mushroom. Oh my, Allah. Oh, weekly add. Di. Ano yun eh, daily to eh. So, okay. Corn seed pack. Ay, corn seed lang pala. Okay, lagyan natin yan dyan. Yan. Tapos dito naman. Okay, 6. Tapos mushroom. Saan natin ito lalagay? Dito. Okay. Okay. Yan. So, tapos open na natin ito mamaya. Don't know what to do here. Ah, wala pa pala. Siguro para sa natin. Tagal na tumubo. Yan, para sa natin. I want to sell everything. I want to sell everything, bro. It's just gonna take a minute. Hey! Tayo dito. Ayun, ang dami yan. Tatlo. Wala pa to, mamaya pa yan. So, meron tayong 5 na royal seed pack. So, open natin. Tatakpan ko to. Hindi ko makita ang makukuha ko. Oh my god, bro. Ang pangit. Okay. Takpan ko ilalim. Tatakpan. What the? Whoa. What's here? Ano to? Ano to? Oh. What? Wait. Ang dami kong na-miss na. Ang dami ko na-miss na mga event. Ilang weeks ako naglaro? 2 weeks. Hindi ako naglaro. Miss Rosalind, I am ahead of IMGA. The head of collections plans to study back at HQ. Huh. See rewards. 5 points. What? Tagal na mag-load. Okay, mamaya na yan. Oh! Strange. Oh! It is strange mutation. Oh! Okay. So, dito na lalagay yan. Tatakpan ko ulit to. Okay. Bro. Oh my. Okay. Okay, bro. Okay, okay. Ooh. Rain. Okay. Buy the corn seed and strawberries, I guess. Last one. Last one. Put that there. And go on. Let me see this. Let me get here. Because I don't actually. Oh, is this just corn but glow? Gross. Oh, I mean, that's the name of it. Duh. Okay. Let me get some strange fruit. Oh, here. Is it? Wait. Did I say it? It's this one, no? Never mind. Oh my goodness, it's so hard. Oh, wait, there you go. Is there another one? Nope. Good. Strawberry, tomato, what else? Is there anyone? Oh, okay. This one. The big one. Okay. Gotcha. Okay, that. Oh, that's just mossy. Is that? Oh, shock and. Okay. Our cherries here. Oh, is that? No, it's just. I think that's just mossy. Ito na si English. Okay. No, mahanap. Dito marami dito for sure. Ayun o. Pero di ko makuha. Hello? Yun. Yun o. Ito. Oh! It's a tree! Puno siya. Puno. Ay. Puno. Ayun, strange. Stranger Things. Ito laki. Strange. Wait. Alam mo, strange yun. Laki o. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Hindi ko makuha. Okay. Wait. Wala. Oh my. Piya mo na yan. Balik tayo dito. Sa gitna. Kaya pala may ganito. Dalawang event natin na miss ko. Bata to, pangalawa. So, isa yung event na miss ko. So, submit all strange plant. Out of this. Ito yung kuha ko. Inventory. 5 sample, 10 points total, 10 points. Total. 10. Okay. So, do you have the rewards? Ano makuha natin sa rewards? Ano ba to? Ano lang to? Ito. Turbo Sprinkler. Oh. What? Okay. Yeah, pala. What is that? Is that IMGA? Parang hindi ko alam. So, pero yun lang guys sa ating Garden Horizon. So, see you next episode. Bye bye.